Okay, so the vlog begins. It is Saturday, 2:53:54, and I just filmed the Costco haul, which should be before this video, I believe, I think. And that's all we did today so far. We ate, we went to Costco. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put all this mess up, organize it, clean the sink. Do not look, it's clean. Clean all of this. I have no idea how I will organize the pantry, honestly. That's how it's looking right now. And we got this thing to put some more stuff, of course. I'm still planning to buy a cans organizer from Amazon, but for now we're just gonna stay here. The biggest challenge, honestly, is the rice that is right here, because I don't have a place to or a spot to store it, because I'm not a biggest fan of having like rice open. So have to buy a container, probably not now, but you know, when we do get to open this, because we still have a little rice left, so we're good for now. But yeah, I'll have to buy a big container and store it in that, you know, you can close shut. Yeah, let's just get to cleaning this up. And for now, I was able to squish everything in. And I'll organize it at another day because it's already taken me a long time. So for now, I'll keep it this way. I still have to put the buns, separate the buns and put them in the freezer. Potatoes, we'll keep this. I have to put this in the container. Find a spot for everything. But for now, this is it. And the counter is sort of kind of clean. I still don't know which one I want to keep. I think I'm going to keep this one because it's very Christmassy. But the thing is, this is vanilla cake mix, dark chocolate. And I really want to try this one.
Can I please help snack?
Okay.
Can I please help snack?
Okay, did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to try.
Do you want to try this?
Yeah.
We'll try this pure. Struggling?
I need help.
Okay. We'll try this pure layered fruit bar, strawberry and banana, and see how he likes it.
Snack.
I want to help
A little
Dad.
baby snack.
I want to help Dad.
Hold on. See how you like it. Tell them how you like it.
I like it.
Well, you haven't tried it yet. Try it.
I like it. I like it.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
How does it taste like?
Good.
What does it taste like?
Good?
It's good?
Uh-huh.
Moved upstairs in the room and I just put some coffee break with Danny, and it's time to clean the room because it is quite embarrassing. And the desk needs to be tidied. And if you remember from my like 2 vlogs ago, when we bought this desk, I started organizing it and I then kind of stopped. Well, it's probably worse than before, to be honest. And yes, this is not quite as bad, but the nicest part, I think, is this drawer. And then I don't really have much stuff, but so I need to tidy this up. My piano has stuff that shouldn't be on it. I need to clean the blinds. The blinds are dirty. And I bought that thing a while ago and need to put up, so I'm thinking to put this picture on that wall and then the little music art here, since it's closer to the piano, at least at this house. When we actually buy our house, this is gonna be on top of the piano, but we also buy an actual real piano. So this is dirty as well. I've already read this book. I'm actually in the second one, but I don't have the physical copy. I just have the Kindle, and Adam has the Kindle, so I need to put that back, tidy the bed, fun grown adult things. So let's just get started. And by the way, yeah, I've got a huge pimple that wouldn't go away. Okay, so I've been kind of planning stuff. I'm waiting on Adam to put the stuff up. So that's why that's in the background. But I can't believe that it's December and I am on the last month. Like, what? It kind of went so quickly. I didn't get to like enjoy it fully. I know it's weird I'm talking about planners, but I love planners and I love planning, and it just feels weird how I have like 1 page left. And now I have to go ahead and try to like research and find a new planner. I don't know. I don't even know what new planner I want. Maybe I want Erin Condren? Because I am going back to school. I am pulling the trigger and I'm going back to school. You guys probably don't know, but I went to Academy of Music, Theater and Fine Arts back in my country for 2 years before I moved here. So I kind of put pause on going to school, and my major was piano classical performance, but I'm not going back to music. I definitely miss it a lot. It's been such a big part of my life, because I did go to a musical school as well. So since first grade, since I was 7 years old, 6 years old, music was a part of, and specifically piano was a big part of my life. And you know, when you go through 12 grades and then go to the, you know, university with the same major, it's that's, you know, something you will miss regardless. Like, I wish I did stuff a little differently before moving here. I wish I finished my music degree, but also I don't regret it. I know it's gonna sound weird, but I never wanted to be a teacher, and I feel like if you go into music, especially piano, you can really go into orchestra and play. And I also have the hugest stage fright, like the hugest stage fright ever. So my plan was, hey, I'm gonna finish and I'm gonna do like quartet, or be a part of the quartet, and play in this and play on cruises and all of that. So like that was my like plan when I was going to school. But now, since it's been almost 5 years, I don't see, I mean, I can't really do that since I do have a family, you know. I can't just up and leave for cruises to, you know, play piano. And I still don't really want to be a teacher. So my big passion right now and my plan where I'm going back to school, I want to be a nutritionist. I've been, since moving here, I've been struggling a lot. And I've been kind of struggling with my weight since I moved. I actually went back home 2 years ago, and everybody was like in shock on how much weight I put on, which here in the United States everybody laughs at because they don't think I'm that overweight. But yeah, it's just been a big struggle, and I want to learn about this stuff like that. I want to be knowledgeable and teach other people, and especially with all this obesity going on and all this diabetic diseases that are more and more common. I feel like I would enjoy helping others more, if you know what I mean. I know I haven't even started, so I can't even, you know, but I'm excited to go back to school because I knew I had to get, I'm a person that I need to finish if I started, and the fact that I had like those 2 years and I never finished, it feels like that part of my life feels incomplete. And even if I'm like 26 now, starting over is gonna be fun, but I'm excited. So I don't remember what I was talking about before this. What was the point of me talking to you about school? Wow. Oh, we were talking about planners. Anyways, I think I might pull the trigger and get the Erin Condren. I'm not 100% sure though. Now I have the Happy Planner and I like it, but I feel like I will need much more space. Let me show you. So I like that it gives you this space, appointments, but again, I don't really have that many appointments. You know, calls, emails. I wish it would have like more space for actual day, so I can, you know, do my write down a to-do list or whatever I need I have planned that day. I feel like this is not enough space for me, so that's why I'm definitely gonna do the same planner. I don't know, let me know if you have any like planners that you love and want to, you know, for both school and it has enough space. Let me know, because I'm still like up in the air. I don't know what planner to get. In between, you know, Happy Planner and Erin Condren, and the third one is 14 days or something like that. When it comes to mine, I'll put a pop-up. I had it last year. I really don't remember the name, but I'll put a pop-up, so it's gonna be here. But yeah, I am excited. New year, hopefully 2021 it's gonna be a much better year. Although 2020, a lot of things changed in 2020, at least for me. I know I didn't really do any YouTube as much as I wanted. Last year was definitely a stronger YouTube year. However, I did start working, you know, 8 to 5, 7:30 to 5:30 really. So being a mom, kind of, you know, you don't really have that much time to do YouTube. The only time like doing YouTubing would be like Saturday and Sunday for me, and that's if I'm in a good mood. But yeah, 2020, crazy year, but a lot of changes, and not all of them were bad, so little steps. But now I'm gonna go ahead and start planning, do a to-do list. There's a lot of things that I want to declutter, including makeup. I am thinking to maybe sell the unopened stuff, you know, absolute like new that I didn't even mess with. I'm thinking about that, or some like clothes that I don't wear, just to clean out the space, especially in 2021 with, you know, with me trying to focus on the future, our family's future, me going back to school. I feel like having a lot of stuff, clutter, will clutter my mind. You know, that is a thing. Less stuff will clear your mind, and you'll make it easier to focus on the things you want to focus on. I think I've been talking for so long. By the way, why is this like that? Oh my god, my toddler got to it. I love this one. It's actually a very good fragrance. Nice. I'm all over the place.